What's up, guys? So today is Thursday and we're at our only job for the day. So we got this deck here that we are going to be cleaning up. They're getting ready to repaint it, stain it, whatever you want to call it. So we are just going to be giving it a good soft wash is the plan. But it doesn't look too bad, honestly. So my plan is just to downstream it. Probably have to go over it 2-3 times, but it'll get there. Also got a little sidewalk we're doing. It's not big at all, so I told her I'll throw that in for free. And then when I got here, they asked me about the front porch. And it is literally just 3 steps, and it'll be like 3x3, 4x4 step of concrete. So I told them I had $25, and that'd be fine for that. So yeah, nothing too crazy this morning. Just gonna get this one knocked out. Probably not gonna get no footage of this. I will do a video when I'm done, let you know how it went. You know, I'm not trying to get the paint off or nothing on this porch, so I'm going to try to preserve as much of it as possible. So we're just going to be as gently spraying it as we can and just putting a good coating on it of house wash mix. But yep, so about to get our water hooked up. Alright, I got some good pressure today. And we'll see y'all in a little while. Alright guys, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do a little video for y'all. So you can see the black right there, and you see the brown right there. I've already sprayed that like 20 seconds ago. So I'm just downstreaming. That's all I'm doing. Just put a nice coating on it, and then I will hit it again. And on some of the heavy spots, like right there, I might have to brush it, but it ain't gonna be much. I'm not using any surfactant. I've never used surfactant before. Some people live and breathe by it, but if I'm doing a metal roof or something like that, then yeah, I think surfactant's a good idea. But my normal stuff, I don't think it's needed. This is all I am doing, just spraying it down. So, but anyways, alright guys, so all finished up here. Got this deck all cleaned up, looking as good as it can. You know, like I said, he's about to paint it, so that is why they're getting it cleaned up. But yeah, there's a couple of lights up there that was missing bulbs that I just taped up. And that's it. So then we got the front sidewalk and little porch and stairs knocked out. So, and I did it just like I do everything, surface clean. Then I do my edging, and then I do rinsing, and then post treat. I wind up using my turbo nozzle. instead of my white tip I normally use. I just get so damn messy when I use the white tip. It just sprays back on me so much. I've been wanting to engineer some kind of like cover for my end of my thing to try to help prevent the blowback. So I used turbo nozzle today to see if it made any difference, and I think it did. It didn't blow as much back on me, like from waist up. Of course, your legs won't get dirty no matter what, but whenever I use the white tip, whenever I'm doing the edging, that dirt just goes all the way up, all of my face, hat, everything. But I think turbo nozzle worked a little bit better. But yeah, that's it. So we are done for the day. Quick and easy job. Been here an hour and 4 minutes. So nice little $200 ticket. About to wrap up everything and go get the chem tank filled up. I got 2 jobs tomorrow. One, I think, is a house wash and a deck. And then the second one's a driveway. Yeah. So that's about it. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. So should have a good day tomorrow. So we'll go ahead and get chem tank filled up. Get gas. Get everything ready for tomorrow. So and then go home and do some stuff around the house. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.